So Western Europe, why I would say, why I am taking Western Europe, because of many things happen in the Western country like Britain, Portuguese, Spain, America, Canada, etc. This considered as a Western Europe. Okay, Western countries more advanced than us because of their climate issue, because of their technical issue, because of they live very close, and because of their feeling about the any citizens. Like in India, before independence, we have no concept of the citizens of the India, but in Britain, this concept is very old. Okay, so these good things, I would say good things, but it is not considered good for the Indian because of their authoritarian rule. Authoritarian means they are not considered themselves as a superior comparison to our citizens. Our citizen means Indians and other colonies citizens. Okay, in Western countries wanted to expand their empire in East, Asia and Africa. Their greed for colonization did not spare even the neighboring countries. Spare means stop. That means they are not only want to control our neighbor countries, like we wanted to first extract, first compromise to others which belongs to our neighbor, but their greediness is too much. Because of this, they able to underget a agreement, and they start colonizes all world. Okay, Spain had taken control over Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg. Later on, some of their provinces were captured by France. So you can say, you can see here, Spain first starting control over Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg. It is country name, so don't be panic. Later on, some of their provinces were captured by France. So which they had control. After some time, France also taking a lead role to capture another territory. When the Portuguese king died without an heir means after this who will be the king, it is a question for the kingdom because of no heir. So Portugal come under the rule of the Spanish king. So Spain and Portugal, they are like neighboring country. So after the Portuguese king died, Spanish king took over the control Spain. Okay, because of his blood relation. Okay, like many kings are belonging to hierarchies, and they are blood relatives, they are relatives. So because of this, they control Portuguese. So for 6 decades means 60 years. Okay, the monopoly the monopoly of establishing colonies in non-European countries was with Spain. So Spain is starting first where colonization in neighboring countries. In that means non-European country. Europe is a continent, and in Europe they starting colonize. Okay, and after that they moving out from the Europe, and they colonize another kingdom as well. Okay. Similarly, Italy and German state became the victim of the greed of France and Australia. Italy and German, they also colonized by the French and Austria. Sorry, I'm Australia. France and Austria. When the Europe powers were tightening their grip over the Asia and African nation, many of the European nations which had become free. That means if we are taking two things simultaneously, so our focus one would be more than another. So that means if they start colonize Asia and Africa, so their control in European country weakened, and because of this many European countries got freedom. Why? Because of their less I think I would say less focus towards the Europe compared to Asia and Africa. Okay, following the footsteps of England made many of the Afro-Asian nations their colonies. As you know, because of England we also ruled by the Britishes. Okay, so footsteps followed by the Britain of the Spain and Portuguese, and they made many African and Asian countries their colonies. Okay, so let's switch to the colonialism in Asia. Colonialism in Asia. After strengthening its grip over India, England expanded its empire to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Singapore and Malaysia. So as you know, in 1600 East India Company is formed, then 1608 they come to India and establish their factory and in Surat, and after many of the years and taking many of the wars, treaty with many others ruler of the India, and to establish grip over India, and then they again starting moving towards the Indian neighbor states like Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Singapore and Malaysia. England entered China also. Okay, but due to the opium trade between England and China, these were wars 1839 to 1842, which came to be known as Opium Wars in the history. China lost this war and thereby lost 5 of its ports to England, where England could carry on their trade and thus expanded their empire. So like Indian subcontinent, England also go to the China, but because of opium production and because of demand of the opium war took place between China and England, and unfortunately for China lost this war, and in return for compensation of this war, England demanded 5 ports of the China to carry on their trade freely. Okay, so as a other country, England also rules the China's trade port. Okay, taking advantage of China weakness, Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium and America also acquired trade and political right. Because of China closeness of thought, because of Chinese that time is not very developed, because their country is very large, but their that time their food production is very less and population is very high. So as you know, if you have less money, so you cannot go convent school or better you cannot get better opportunity, better facility for all level, as happened with China as well that time. Because China's population is more, that means resources is very less and beneficiary or needy people is more. Because of this mismatch, their position is weakened, and as you know, every weak person extracted, or we can say exploited by stronger power, as we See, like Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium and America also acquired trade and political right in China. Okay. Enormous oil resources in the desert region of West Asia attracted the European to establish colonies there. West Asia, that means a country like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq and Oman, Yemen, etc. They are, as you know, very rich in natural resources, and because of this West Asian country want to exploit these resources for their use. As you know, for machine continuation we require fuel, and where we got fuel, where natural resources is found. So because of this they also want to exploit this country. Okay. England, Germany, Russia and America established oil companies in Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain, and made effort to take care of their own interest. Okay. So their own interest means they want to extract without any paying duty, without any paying money. Okay. So they start effort to take over this control of the oil resources, mineral resources in the West Asia region. Okay.